you improve your capabilities and your confidence in your abilities to tolerate distress. The skills you'll find in this book will help you get through crisis situations without making things worse by falling back on problematic behaviors you may have used in the past. And you'll find fast-acting, effective, and scientifically proven strategies that will help you stop making problematic choices in the moments when your emotions are overwhelming you. What is dialectical behavior therapy? The skills in this book are based on a psychological treatment called Dialectical Behavior Therapy, DBT, created by Dr. Marsha Linehan. She developed DBT to treat people with borderline personality disorder, BPD, an illness of which one of the main components is emotion dysregulation. Since its creation, however, countless studies have shown how effective DBT is in helping people regulate their emotions in healthier ways, even when they don't have a diagnosis of BPD. The fact is, DBT is a wonderfully helpful therapy that teaches us skills to manage emotions more effectively, including learning to tolerate distress. And since life doesn't always go as smoothly as we would like, we all need skills like these at times. Instructions for using this book. Keep in mind that simply listening to a book like this typically isn't going to help you make meaningful changes in your life. What will help you to really learn the skills is to learn about each skill, follow the instructions to practice them, and then practice the skills regularly to build your proficiency with them. There are two specific things that will be important for you to know. First, it is very important to personalize the skills you'll be learning about, making them your own, to increase the chances you'll use them, as well as to enhance their efficacy. Since everyone is different and experiences emotional distress differently, it's important that these skills make sense for you. To help remind you of the skills you've learned and start integrating them into your life, we recommend you keep a dedicated journal as you work through the book. In the journal or notebook, you can keep a list of skills you learn and respond to the prompts and exercises. Second, some of the skills you'll be learning will involve engaging in formal, scripted exercises, where you'll be asked to set aside a specific amount of time to sit quietly and turn inward in some way. For these practices, you'll have some options. You can listen to the script a couple of times until you have the feel of it, and then start the practice. You might want to listen to the script as you do the practice. You may choose to record yourself or someone else saying the script, for example, on your smartphone, and then you can listen to the recording as you do the practice. You might want to experiment with each of these methods to see what works best for you. Whatever you choose, be sure to set aside some quiet time to do these practices when you'll likely be undisturbed, so you can really turn your attention and energy to the exercise. You might notice that the exercises themselves and turning your attention inward can sometimes bring up distress, in which case you can turn to some of the other skills you'll be learning to help you tolerate that discomfort. We're confident that this compilation of skills will be helpful, and we hope you enjoy them. Chapter 1.